Hola amigos, ¿cómo están? Hello friends and welcome to new chapter of Spanish Language Learning Center. Today we'll be discussing about three ER verbs, CONOCER, PARECER and MERECER. So the only reason to discuss three of them in a group today is to discuss their yo form, which has a different ending than the regular ER verb ending in present tense. So yes, yo form of all these three verbs end in zeta, se, o. Alright, so first have a look at conocer, which means to know. So yes, these are the 6 conjugations of conocer. That's a yo form. Conozco, conozco. So it's not a regular ER verb ending where it should have been conoso. No, we have zeta, se, o towards the end. So it becomes conozco, conozco. The rest of the conjugation, tú, él, nosotros, vosotros, ustedes form, they go with the regular ER verb endings. So, tú form is conoces, you know, conoces. He knows, she knows, you know, conoce. We know, nosotros form, conocemos. You all know, conocéis. They know, you all know, conocen. So yes, only the yo form is different from regular ER verb ending. Same goes with parecer, which means to seem or to look. So the normal yo form would have been pareco, but that's not the case. Again, we have zeta, se, o towards the end of the yo form conjugation. So it becomes parezco, parezco. To form, you look or you seem, pareces. He seems, she seems, you seem, parece. Nosotros form, we seem or we look, parecemos. You all look, pareceis. They look, ustedes form or ellos or ellas form, parecen. So both the yo forms, you can see the similarity over here. Zeta, se, o towards the end to form the conjugation. Now comes the third one, merecer, which means to deserve. Same rule applies over here. We have zeta, se, o to form the yo form conjugation. So it becomes merezco, I deserve. It's not mereco, it's merezco. You deserve, to form, mereces. He deserves, she deserves, you deserve, merece. We deserve, merecemos. Vosotros form, you all deserve, mereceis. They all deserve, or you all deserve, merecen. So again, if you look at all these three verbs, their ending is same, and that's why they are grouped together. So these are not just the only ER verbs which have this zeta, se, o ending. There are other ER verbs which I'll give you a list. That's not the exhaustive list, but yes, a good place to start with this yo form irregularity in ER verb present tense conjugation. Alright, so first one having the same irregularity in the yo form in present tense is AGRADECER, AGRADECER, which means to thank. So yo form of AGRADECER would be AGRADEZCO. Alright, another one, APARECER, which means to appear. Same ending, APAREZCO, yo form, I appear. Complacer, to please. Complazco, yo form irregularity. CRECER, a very common ER verb, which means to grow. Same rule applies. NACER, to be born. OBEDECER, to obey. I obey, obedezco. ofrecer, to offer. So you want to say I offer, ofrezco. Permanecer, which means to remain. And yacer, which means to lie down. So yes, here are like these 10 or 12 verbs, ER verbs, which have EO form irregularities with the ending zeta, se, o. So that's all we have in here. Adios.